welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. Feel at home and feel welcome. And I'm super duper excited about this year because I'm very much positive about it. And I'm gonna send you the positivity. Okay, positivity. So you better be positive about this year because it just started. Happy New Year, y'all! Happy New Year, y'all! How are you doing? I'm fine. And today, I want you all to call me Grandma, Mommy, because I'm here to cure you. We all know Grandma have the remedies of every other disease that you have. They're gonna cure you in the most correct way that you don't need medicine and you don't need injection. Actually, injection you don't need, but those what they give it's medicine. So stay tuned. Before we get there, before I cure you. Subscribe, gling gling gling, notification baby, don't forget about it, thumbs up, comment. It's a new year. Your support is very much hurting, like heart moyo, not hurting kuumiza, heart moyo. Me, it's hurt me. Yeah. So as I said earlier, I said you can call me Grandma, Mommy, because I'm gonna cure you. So whatever I'm gonna cure you today, okay. Why kizungu imeenda kwao but imerudi. So what I wanted to say is this. Leo mimi naenda kukutibu. Na mimi naenda kutibu hangover, cholesterol, pressure na unene. If you're too fat, I got you. There's a type of juice that when you drink, you don't add weight, you remain the same way you are. My sister, I got you. Mimi ndio yule dem nakupenda mtu wangu, nakuweka hapa karibu. Walevi na waeka karibu, wanene na waeka karibu, wagonjwa na waeka karibu. Just call me Grandma. Let me not just waste your time. Let's get into it. So what are we making today? Today we are making lemonade juice. Lemonade. Homemade lemonade juice. So what do you need? You need lime, not malimau, lime. I don't know if malimau is okay, but I've been using lime. For the rest of I don't remember. You need ginger and you need cubes. This is ginger, tangawizi, lime. Lime ni machenza. Lime ni limau. Ndimu! Yeah, ndimu. This is lime. Let me show you how lime look. Limes zinakaa hivi. These are limes. These ones are limes. Then we have ginger, tangawizi. Tangawizi inafaa kukaa hivi. This is tangawizi. Listen, tangawizi. Hii tangawizi imekaa kama vidole zao watu wengine huko nje, but it's fine. It's life, y'all. And ice cubes. So for your lime, I want to show you something. Something. Unaona mimi nimetoa hizi seeds. Hizi seeds ukiblend huwa ni kali. Hata usijaribu. Zitoe tu. Kuna zile lime hazina, zile lime zimeumoka, waga hazina seeds, zile za supermarket, lakini zetu za sokoni, they have seeds. So, lazima utoe hizi seeds. Msichana, mwanaume, toa hizi seeds. Ama hiyo hangover yako yenye uko nayo itakuruka uruke kichwa ukue mwendazimu. Sawa, nimemaliza. You need sugar, sukari. Any type of sugar. Or, for those who don't like sugar, you can use honey. Higher. What do you need? Water. A jug and water. Jagi na maji. Alafu you need a sieve. Mtu hii inaitwa kichungi, msinisumbua akili. Mtu naye ajui inaitwa kichungi. This is a kichungi. Kichungi huo uko nayo kwako. Last but not least, you'll need a blender. Any type of blender that you have can do the trick. So let's get into blending. I'm going to show you how you're going to mix everything inside so that you can get the lemonade. So that you can get your medicine. The medicine that can cure your hangover. Ile pombe ulikunywa jana usiku na leo ni Monday. Just blend this thing. Eka kwa fridge. Asubuhi amka ukunywe. You fresh. You fresh. It's okay. Haya. So this is your blender. Oh, this is my blender. I don't know how your blender looks. This is my blender and not your blender. This is my blender. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom. Yeah, blender. when you light it goes vrrr. Yeah, blender for blending things. Kusiaga kisiagia nyumbani. Hii hapa sile ya Waluya ya kusiaga unga. Hii hapa kisiagia nyumbani. So you take your lemons. These limes, sorry, these are limes. Haya, ndimu zako. Kiswahili, you take your ndimu, pour them inside there. My hands are very clean, nimeosha mkono. Watu wasafi wa YouTube. Take your ginger, tangawizi. Hizi vidole za miguu za watu wengine. God forgive me. Aya, take your ginger. Take your ginger. Put them inside there. Then you take your sugar. Sugar, you put kiasi yako. Usiweke kiasi yangu. Labda mimi kiasi yangu ni nyingi. Take your sugar. 1, 2. For me that's enough. Haya. So then next I'm gonna take my water. Nitaweka maji kiasi changu. Mimi nataka maji yangu itoshe hapo hivyo. That's the kind of water I want. So alafu last but least maana hii ndio kitu ya mwisho. Tunaenda kuweka ice cubes zetu. Ice cubes zangu hata zimegeuka maji nikiongea hapa paka kesho. So now we are going to do the blender. As in we are going to wash the blender ingurume. Isiage. Sawa? See you. Akisikia sauti ya kisiagi. But it is life. As for me, I see mine imevurugika, imesiagika. That's all I meant. Not yet, bado kidogo. So I'm gonna vroom vroom it again for it to vroom my things together.
A few moments later. Moments later. Moments later. More moments later. 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 Later.
You can imagine how Aluya feels akisikia sauti ya kisiagi. How you can turn on Aluya girl by kumpeleka tu kwa kisiagi asikie hiyo kisiagi kinguruma. So that's how I feel. So yetu imeblend. Let's try and chunga it and severe it and tunaenda kuweka hapa, uchafu ibaki hapa, maji ingie huku, juice yetu ingie huku kwa jug. Tunachunga, sijui it's called severing, whatever the thing is, but I'm going to do it practical so you're gonna see it. So tunachukua juice yetu, tunaichuja hapo. There. Let me show you. It'll take time. So after the severing, after tumesiva, after tumechuja, after we have chungad, after we have done the things of taking the darts and the products, here is our product. This is what we want. So this is your residue. Is it right? Hii ni vitu zako za kutupa. Hizi ni za kutupa. So this is what we are going to concentrate on. So this is our juice. This is our hangover killer. So what you're going to do, take your glass. Call me the hangover guru. Baby, I got you. Take your straw. Hey, they can't me. Then take you. I see them doing this in hotels. Why do they do that? And yet I can afford it in the comfort of my own house. Hey, I'm gonna sell a glass like this one for like 1,500. Yeah, 1,500. You're welcome. I'll be opening a bar and hangover killer very soon. I buy you then I hangover killer you. As in nakulewesha alafu nakutoa ulevi. You're all welcome. Cheers to 2021. Baby, try this and you're not going to be wrong. Until next time, it's your beautiful soul mommy. Don't forget to subscribe. Gling, gling, gling. Notification, baby. And I love you so much and stay positive. 2021 is all about positivity.